Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be looking at the JC Wings Wizz Airbus A320 Neo. So let's get started with the box. So on the front you have Wizz, you have half an image of the actual aircraft, Airbus A320 Neo, the price I paid for it. I got this at the aviation fair, which is near Heathrow. In the bottom right it says 1 to 400 scale die-cast aircraft model. If we look on the back, you have the aircraft specifications. You can pause if you'd like to read them. On the top you have their other release. On the right side it just says Wizz. On the left side has some warning hazards, and on the bottom it's the aircraft that we have. So let's review the model in more detail. Okay, so starting at the front of the plane, you can see the cockpit windows, which are masked. You have the nose cone, you have these static ports, you have an antenna on the top, the L1 door, front landing gear as well. You have the Wizz text, then you have the overwing exits and the big Neo engine. And also another detail, if you look inside, I don't know if you can actually see it, but I tried to get close to the camera here. You can actually see the green, I wouldn't say banding, but I don't really know what it is. I guess it's it might be paint or the inner compartments of the engine. But yeah, moving along, we have the sharklet. Very nice. You have two antennas on the top, and you have one on the bottom. It says wizzair.com there, Airbus A320 Neo. And you have the L2 door, and the registration, which is HA-LJA. Then you have the vertical and horizontal stabilizers. The APU, it's not a hole, but it's still painted. But yeah, and one more thing, the model is slightly tail heavy, so if you tap it, it tends to fall over like this. The right side is exactly the same, but with added cargo doors, one at the front and two at the rear. If you look on top of the aircraft, you can see the flap slats and spoilers, which are nicely carved out. And on the bottom you have several markings and also a stand hole and the registration. And yeah, that pretty much does it for this model. I would recommend it if it goes to your airport, or if you're just a collector of Wizz or any European airline and you need it. I would get it if I were you, because you do see them quite a lot in airports, and yeah, it's a good addition to your collection. But with that being said, I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.